What is up, YouTube? Back for another quick video on the 24 Brap Daddy. Today we're going to be installing a new custom Ford Performance windshield banner. So, being that we just dropped the Ford Performance Pro Cal Tune on this beast, and it is already a Ford Performance vehicle, I figured, you know what the heck? Let's get a custom banner on this thing because I think it'll look cool. So let's open it up. I got it from Etsy. It was about 20 bucks. Got it custom made. I wanted something that was going to be sleek and subtle and not stand out like the white and red ones. So it's going to be all matte black to just give you a little pop there, but not much, and blend in with the rest of the plastic. So let's get it open and see what we got. All right, so here's what we are working with. It is a 40-inch custom all matte black Ford Performance banner. Same exact font, just wanted to make it a little more custom and not as in your face. So we're gonna measure the top windshield. We're gonna measure this out, tape it up there, being that I'm doing it by myself. We're gonna spray some soapy water up there, use our handy dandy squeegee, and we're gonna apply it and we'll see how it looks. So without further ado, let's get this sumbitch on there.
I'm here and I'm feeling exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance, not the life I want to live. I want to take it all, standing tall, fear I weighed the person you are.
All right, guys, and there you have it. The banner is on, and I think it looks great. I will drop the sunshade for a minute so you can see what it looks like without it. I just figured it made it a little bit easier based off of the sunlight and the color of the banner for you to kind of get an idea of it. But after some very detailed calculations, if you are going to do a custom banner, 40 inches is absolutely perfect. I lined it up right here, as you can see, with the accessories right there, and then right here as well. You can see it comes down right here, right up to the Y, and it starts right on the A, so it fits absolutely perfect. 40 inches goes right in between your two accessory mounts. I think it looks great for 20 bucks. Can't go wrong. If I decide I don't like it, get a razor blade, peel it off, no harm, no foul. So I will drop the link below of the store that I used. You guys let me know what you think, if you like it, if you don't, any recommendations. And be sure to stay tuned for more 24 Raptor content.